That's so cool. Look at the bite. What is he thinking? What up, guys? We're in the ski dog van with Michael the ski doctor. I'm not making him tune my gear today, even though he does the best job in the world. But he's got this fresh new desk. What is it?
The camera. It's a workbench. It's like custom made. Boom! It says ski dock right there. Pretty stoked on that.
Custom made workbench for the ski dock, so he can tune you guys up for the season. If you don't know who Michael is, he comes to your house, your car, wherever you are, in this fancy little van, and tunes you up nice and right. So if you need your gear tuned up, or you want contactless ski tuning this ski season, if you come to Breck or anything like that, this is the dude. Yep. Give him a call. His stuff's in the description. Hit up Michael. He'll come tune you up. I am taking advantage of him being my friend, getting tuned up for today. And yeah, we're gonna have the sickest opening day Breck, and we're here early, so we should get up pretty early.
Oh, it's so silent.
Dude, who was expecting a powder day? That was insane. Woo! How's it feel to be back, my dude?
Oh, what a great run.
Oh man, that Breck killed it. The snow, by far the best snow so far this season, is at Breckenridge. Let's go get some more.
That's so cool.
Dude, nice to meet you, dude. You having fun?
Yeah.
It's so awesome out here. Good. So Breck is the only resort I've seen where they're gonna allow really strangers to kind of ride up together. It's because they have a 6-chair. It's such a big chairlift, but they're like spacing everybody out, like all the singles. So they do have singles at Breckenridge, just so you know. That's a pretty impressive line for opening day. I didn't think it was gonna get this busy, but it's Breck. I'm really interested to see how they're gonna manage that line during the busy, you know, like those super busy days. That busy line does make me think of one thing though, and that's today's sticker shout out. We got STLS Sports Fan with the Red Evolution, the Crazy Lights Evolution, and the new Mountain Evolution. Snagged so much of the new Evolution stickers. Guys, we have so many new stickers available. Literally like a bunch of new colors, a bunch of new designs. Like, check out the Evolution stickers. They're super, I put a lot of work into new stickers and stuff, so if you can check out the stickers, that's insane. But also hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. We have like merch for you guys if you want to stay warm on the mountain. It's the warmest merch in the game, and if you do snag any of the merch, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also make sure you follow the Instagram, so I post a bunch of like behind the scenes content. The stories tell you where we're riding each day, as well as just like extra bonus content. Who doesn't want more content? So just check out the Instagram, guys. And other than that, we're gonna keep ripping some of this POW, the fun lines. Today's been sick already, and yeah. Michael's back. Well, that's all that matters, is really Michael's back. It's all right. What is he thinking? So far, the biggest difference between Keystone opening day and Breck opening day is at Keystone, you literally never sat in a line at all. And now, like, especially since they're limited, putting up barely any people on each chairlift, this line is taking a long time to get up. So each lap is taking longer and longer and longer. It's kind of a bummer, because it's really good up there. The snow is really good. The line is not really good. Guys, I think we can only do this line a couple more times. This is getting gnarly. The reason why I say that is it takes about 30 minutes, if not more, to get through this line. And by that point, you forget how to snowboard.
Awesome.
What up?
How are you?
Got the stickers.
Absolutely. Grab one. You know what to do.
Oh, you guys know what to do. How sick is today? So the singles line goes all the way to right there. What a mess. All right, guys, so this is the part of the video where I like ask for some likes, you know, and sharing the video and whatnot. But I was like, hey guys, let's do a like challenge. Can we break 300 likes? And I clearly like underestimated you guys. That video got over 1,300 likes, which is crazy. But now that I know what you guys are capable of, I feel like we could hit 3,000 likes. So let's see if this video can hit 3,000 likes. If it does, I'm gonna release this really sick, like black and white, like scratched up Evolution sticker. So if we break 300 likes or 3,000 likes, I'm gonna release that sticker for you guys.
And I'm gonna be like, when he hits it. That'd be really cool.
Yeah, Michael will go, wake up, Benson. All right, that's a pretty sick day. Definitely better earlier in the morning than later in the day. It got really crowded.
Dude, that was my first day back.
Michael's first day back. Ben's first day. What's up? And just like that, we're back at the van. I don't think there's anything better than starting or stopping the day at the ski dock van. Ugh. All right, guys, and with that, we're gonna end this video. Once again, if you need any of my snowboard gear, all these jackets, my pants, goggles, hoodies, gloves, it's all linked in the description if you need any snowboard gear, guys, and you don't know where to start, you can at least start with my gear and then maybe find something that fits you. So once again, all the gear is in the description. We had a sick day today. Shout out to the ski dock for filming. Once again, you need a tune, house your car, wherever you are. It's all linked in the description. Shout out to Benton. He's sleepy. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for snowboarding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.